Welcome back, Mac Truckers. Today we have a new segment, highly requested. I've been reading your comments, and we are going to be doing a cooking vlog today. Yay. Cooking is one of my top 3 skills, along with baking and making. So, welcome to Making Things with Mac. Alright, I only cook for occasions, so today's occasion is friendsgiving, and I need to make 2 items at the same time, so we will get started. I'm going to be making deviled eggs, so I already hard-boiled them, so if you need to know how to do that, you can Google it, like I did. We'll do this. I don't really know the best way to do this. Maybe just crack it. Hopefully they're cooked all the way. Oh. So how are you today? No, this is not going to be a fast process. I wonder if there's a better way to do this. I've never made deviled eggs before. Honestly did not know what was in them until I looked up the recipe yesterday. There's a lot of items that are very odd that I would not have thought would be in it. But they are so delicious, so well, hopefully they are. It's really a toss-up. Oh, I guess you take the little skin thingy off too. Really unsure. Okay, 1 done. I need somewhere to set this. So I really haven't done a whole lot of cooking or baking lately, so I'm a little rusty. Probably last Thanksgiving is the last time I made anything. Pretty much like an occasional cooker, and by occasional I mean there needs to be an occasion for me to cook. Not a whole lot of reason to cook for one, you know what I'm saying? Probably rinse this one, yeah. Guess you can rinse an egg with water? Don't know why not. Definitely makes it a lot cleaner. Guess shake that. Okay. Alright, 2 down, 10 to go. Man, this one's gonna be a little holy. Oh my. This is a very tedious process. It'd be cool if they had an invention where you could, like, I don't know, say, stick a hard-boiled egg in, like, a bucket, and it, like, shakes itself, and it, like, heals it. That'd be pretty neat. Maybe I'll make that on my next vlog. Okay, this one is a little rougher than the others, so maybe I'll sacrifice myself to eat this one. You guys will just join me after I finish these. All right, we got the eggs cracked, or whatever, the shell taken off. It was a learning experience. Learned I do not have a delicate touch, which is apparently needed. At least 11 of the 12 eggs will make the cut. So I'm running out of time. I need to go ahead and probably get the cake in the oven. All right, so we're gonna preheat the oven. Well, let's see here. This is a fancy one, touchscreen. Oh, it's got 2 ovens. That's pretty sweet. Start. We like 350. That's what we want. So hopefully that'll beep at me when it's ready. Just gonna dump it in there. Maybe. Okay, this clearly probably isn't the best. I need a spoon or something. Boom. Come, little apple. Come play. Now I need one more. Apparently getting apples out of a can is not straightforward. What is the deal? Come on. Now we have to add the cinnamon and nutmeg. So it smells so good. One. Sprinkle that. And now some nutmeg. Only 1 teaspoon. I wonder where teaspoon comes from. Interesting. Teaspoon, tablespoon. Wonder what the history is there. That's probably about enough nutmeg that we need. Mix all that up. Mix it on up. Mix it on up. Mix it on up. Maybe I should have followed the instructions and mixed it in a bowl. More bites will be spicier than others. Mix it on up. Orange the caramel. Caramel or caramel? I'd say caramel. Nice and lightly top it. I said to measure it out, but I think a whole bag will be fine. This might be a bit excessive. You're just supposed to take this yellow cake mix and pour it on top. Bada boom, bada bing. Let's see if we can do this delicately. Oh my gosh. I'm so weak. Pour it on top. Oven's ready. Just make a really big mountain and smooth it out, baby. Probably should clean this off. The last step. It says to melt 1.5 sticks of butter. But I think I'm just gonna chop it up and put it on there and see what happens. Bada boom, bada bing. Uh-oh. Oh, that was awful also. I suppose that'll work. Okay. We will set a timer for, I have no idea, 45 minutes. Boom. Now that we got the cake in the oven, back to these silly eggs. Grab the biggest bowl I can find, got a knife, and now we're going to slice them in half and get the filling made, or whatever you call that little part. I don't really know what the best way to pop right out. Perfect. Okay. Sick. Wonderful. I don't really know how to know if you cooked an hard-boiled egg correctly or not. I mean, clearly it's cooked, but how do you get a perfect hard-boiled egg? That is the question. It's a pretty easy process. Oh, I ripped that egg. Oops. Apparently you need to be gentle with eggs, they can break. Well, about broke that one in half too. This is going to make 24 deviled eggs. Wonderful. Some better than others, that's for sure. And I did it again. Guess it's good for it to have variety, huh? Okay, cutting a straight line is clearly not one of my skills. Never been great at details. Last egg. Oh, crap. I just totally destroyed that egg. And not... Good way. Come out, little egg. Eggy yolk. Ah. The egg yolk just jumped out of that one when I grabbed it. Use these cute little things. Know me all about style. It's not cute. I don't want it. Yes. It's supposed to be room temperature, so we'll add that one last. Let it get to room temperature. 2 teaspoons. Where's my teaspoon? Like, I never know. Are you supposed to account for the substance that stays on the teaspoon thingy? So I'm like, surely that's a little bit of the 2 teaspoons it's supposed to have in there, but palm fit pick a juice. 1, 2. Oh, that is strong. Good night. I bought this whole thing for 1 teaspoon of sugar. Because I needed it. We'll just, it calls for 1/8. We'll add 1/4 each. I don't know. Butter, and now we mash. Smells really interesting in here. Maybe if I'm gonna need a fork, I think. That's a little more aggressive. This is not a fun part. Nothing of making deviled eggs has been fun today. Like, is it supposed to be chunky? I feel like it's supposed to be smooth. This looks like something that can mash. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so now we have to get the filling thingy into the eggs so that they'll be ready to go. Don't really know if you're supposed to clean up the eggs, but I'm running low on time, so I think we might just roll with it. They look a little messy. Well, who knows, but I really feel like I'm gonna explode this bag. Alright. They kind of just look like little yellow turds. But yeah. Makes it at least look prettier, huh? Alright, here's the final product. Alright, the cake took a little longer to cook than expected, so I had to go take a shower, get ready, whatever, but it's done now. And so I'll show it to you. Well, it's still pretty hot, so boom. Hopefully it tastes good. Otherwise, nothing a little vanilla ice cream can't fix, so. But yeah, so that's it for today's cooking segment. Making a mess with Mac. So thanks for watching the video and have a good Thanksgiving. Bye.